Scientists have a word for such a wide variety. We call it diversity. The Pteranodon kids are helping to gather a great diversity of dinosaurs. 26 different kinds. Now, 26 sounds like a lot, but paleontologists have discovered almost 1,000 different kinds of dinosaurs. One dinosaur species the Pteranodon family just met is Gallimimus, a Cretaceous theropod with big eyes, a long neck, a long tail, and long legs. We think it was a fast runner, a lot like this modern-day animal, the ostrich. Every year, paleontologists like me discover new kinds of dinosaurs and other prehistoric creatures, and there's plenty more out there waiting to be discovered. Maybe you'll grow up to be a paleontologist and discover some amazing new creatures. Okay, keep watching for more dinosaur discoveries. Hi there, I'm Dr. Scott, the paleontologist, and this is Nodosaurus, a plant-eating armored dinosaur, or ankylosaur, about 20 feet long. It had short legs, a wide body, and a long tail. Like other ankylosaurs, Nodosaurus had bony armor covering its body, from the tip of its nose all the way to the tip of its tail. But look, unlike some ankylosaurs, Nodosaurus didn't have a bony club on the end of its tail. Because Nodosaurus probably couldn't use its tail to fight off meteors, paleontologists think it may have defended itself by getting low to the ground, so only its bony armor would show. Today, mammals called armadillos do pretty much the same thing. They also have an outer covering of armor, and when they're threatened by a predator, armadillos roll up into a ball to protect themselves. Okay, remember, get outside, get into nature, and make your own discoveries. Hi there, I'm Dr. Scott, the paleontologist. On the dinosaur train, Buddy and the Pteranodon kids placed all the dinosaurs into groups based on their features. Today, paleontologists do the very same thing. We call it classification. Stegosaurus and Kentrosaurus are part of a dinosaur group called stegosaurs that all have plates and spikes running down the middle of their backs. The stegosaur family is closely related to ankylosaurs, like Ankylosaurus and Euoplocephalus, which all have bony armor covering their bodies. Today, stegosaurs and ankylosaurs form an even bigger group called armored dinosaurs. We can do the same thing with meat-eating dinosaurs or theropods. Raptors, like Velociraptor, had feathers on their bodies and a big